everyone, hope you're well. Today we're going to be learning about asthma, and in this PowerPoint we're going to be seeing what asthma is and the signs and symptoms of asthma. In the middle there's a couple of questions. Straight after the first bit there is as well. If you'd just like to answer those on your app on your phone, and then we'll go through them at the end of the lesson, okay? So I'll just press play. So asthma is a common lung condition that causes occasional breathing difficulties. Right, so there is the question, what is asthma? So have a think of what I've just said and have a go at answering. There's easy there and medium also. Easy is just a few key words, have a think, and medium is just that little bit more difficult. Try and outline, try and repeat what I said. We're going to go through this anyway, okay? Okay, so people with asthma have very sensitive lungs that may react to numerous triggers. These triggers include temperature, exercise. So if you're exercising quite a bit, that causes the asthmatic to trigger. There's also pollution, which also causes asthmatics to react as well. We've got perfume, and we've got different allergies, such as cats, and also, nice quiz there, stress, as we're all familiar with, aren't we? Okay, so all these different 5 factors cause triggers for asthmatic, okay? Right, so have a go. There's the 5 triggers. See what you can remember. Good stuff. Right. Now, you can see here the lungs, and you can see here, if you remember from our respiratory lesson, this here is called your trachea, and then down it's your bronchi, okay, which goes into left and right. So remember, this is your right and this is your left, and into smaller branches called your bronchioles. Okay, now so these, as you can see from this diagram, what's happening is that the walls of the bronchioles in an asthmatic are very thick, and the airwaves in between are very small, so therefore not a lot of air can get in there, which means what we take in is oxygen, so less oxygen into our lungs. All right, so that's what's happening when someone's having an asthma attack. All right, okie doke. Signs and symptoms. So these factors cause the airways to become narrow, as we said, and what happens from this is that there's coughing, there's rapid breathing, people will be struggling to speak, and which causes a lot of anxiety in people, and because of that anxiety, the sweating as well. So these are the signs and symptoms that you should be looking out for in case anybody is having an asthma attack. Okay, that's the end. So have a quick go at the multiple choice now, and then you should have got whether that was correct or not. Hopefully you got all those right. And on here we've got further information with the NHS website. This will help you with your assignment, which is on this link here. So you can actually click on this and it'll take you straight to the assignment. Okay, good luck guys. See you later.